You need to push him. Stop! Go ahead, push him. Push him.
Good sir, cadet. Keep pressing the attack.
Amy, do you just not push? Do you just don't push a button? Do you just open the camera and then the video?
Yep.
We're never gonna win this. That's how I use my dad's camera, and I don't know how to.
Don't let him hit the side, Justin.
What?
Don't let him hit the side.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yes, and never did.
You think he's getting dizzy yet?
Yeah, I think he is. Right? Get dizzy? Get dizzy? Yes, you say yes, he's getting dizzy. Are you getting dizzy, Brian?
Let's see a fantastic set.